Hi guys, Saif here from Pune. Hope all of you all are having a great weekend. After long, Pune is seeing a nice and bright sunny day. So I thought of giving you all a walkthrough of this brand new project in Viman Nagar, Pune. Let's go and let's see the society which has all 25 amenities that one could imagine of. Let me show you all around. Let's have a look at the society first. The developer has done something different. This kind of a concept is, I don't think, is there anywhere in eastern Pune. They've made a very nice European concept project which has only ground plus 3 floors. So all your ground floor apartments have gardens, all your top floor apartments have overhead terraces which are private terraces, and all the center units are standard units which come with a nice normal big sit out. So you can see there is a huge walking track all across the project. We are currently on the podium level, so there are no vehicles on this floor. So senior citizens and kids can move around freely, and it's very nicely maintained, and good landscaping is done, which adds to a good feel in the society. Let me show you all the amenities first, and then I will show you one sample flat which is ready. Thinking of amenities, the first thing any one of us could think of is a swimming pool. Just look at the size of the swimming pool, guys. It's 38 meters long, one of the largest swimming pool in any of the societies in this area. Overlooking the swimming pool, we have this huge banquet lawn which you can use for your parties. If you want to host people here, have a nice get together or any family function, you can use it for that. Sorry for the slight mess. They are just finishing the amenities area, so I won't be able to show you all the amenities, but this was a good attraction. Coming to the other amenities, we've got a nice big putting green area. Again, obviously the walking track continues all across the project. We've got a nice children's play area there, and behind that you can see a half basketball court and a nice big tennis court. So this is one of the garden flats which has a good green view. And again, we should not miss the second entry, which is just next to the airport. So as soon as you get out of the airport, you can walk in to this society through that gate. So that was another portion of the amenities. Plus, in the center of all the clusters, you've got a nice sit-out, chit-chat area with a good sitting arrangement done, which you can use, and your mom, dad, or the kids can play around and sit and have a good time. As you can see, it's greenery all over. And in the center over there, where you can see, that is another small children's pool area with another sit-out area which the members have access to. And being a vehicle-free zone, this entire podium level is, good and free for movement for all the members. Let's walk up to the apartment now. So guys, I thought of showing you all the best layout in the project. Just look at the gorgeous living and dining area with Italian marble and a huge sit out. It's a nice private deck, double heighted private deck with a center cluster view, and you've got complete privacy because there is no one else looking into your apartment. So we are currently in a 3.5 bedroom layout which has this huge living. The builder is providing a fully functional kitchen with kitchen cabinets, gas chimney, an aquaguard provision, a decent sized utility area. So majorly I keep getting complaints from clients is that we're paying such a big amount, but then we're not getting a good carpet size apartment. So here you cannot complain about that. We are currently in a 3,000 square feet apartment with 3 clear big bedrooms. All have good natural sunlight and ventilation. The bathroom fittings are all in place. They're all by Kohler. The entire house has natural light. On the other end, we've got 2 more bedrooms and this common powder bathroom next to the entry. That's the second bedroom with an attached bathroom. And again, it has a garden view. The third bedroom, which is the most important bedroom, is the master bedroom, which has a full cluster view with a walk-in wardrobe area. And the master bedroom has the largest bathroom with a jacuzzi with steam and sauna. So in this project we can offer you smaller and larger apartments. We've also got a 2-bedroom layout, a 3-bedroom layout, and we also have a 4.5-bedroom layout. So guys, that's it for today. Let me know your feedback on this project, and for any other inquiry in this area, please feel free to contact me on 90283 69666. See you guys. Bye.